another one.
Does anybody really do only API testing? What tools do you use? All right, so I've been wondering, does anyone out there focus entirely on API with zero UI testing? Is that even possible? Zero UI testing? Like, is that a thing teams actually do? If you're one of those folks, what tools are your bread and butter? Stuff like Postman, I don't know what Keyploy is, Karate, Rest Assured, or something else. How do you handle tricky stuff like edge cases or weird failure scenarios? Also, where do you see AI fitting into all of this? What's the least practical help you expect from AI? Is it writing test cases for you? Think of those impossible to guess edge cases, self-fix tests when API changes, do smarter test results analysis. Curious to hear your thoughts and experiences. Does this approach actually scale, or do you always end up needing some UI validation? That is an amazing question. And we're gonna take it from the top. All right, so so 2 companies ago, I was working on 2 separate teams as the QA person on 2 separate teams. I pretty much oversaw QA on the bigger team where they were building out, an application. I forgot what the tool was that we were using, but it was like where you can create like flow states and stuff like that. And that had a UI component to it. It had an API to it as well, but it had a UI to it. But the other team that I was on, where it was more of a Kanban team, and Yakar will appreciate this, when we were building out the RCS, the RCS consumer or business to consumer API, that was strictly API. There was no UI involved in that whatsoever. And I actually liked it because I did not have to deal with flaky tests. I was able to, I used Postman to do the initial, to make sure that the calls were right and everything like that. Then, because I was using Java at that company, I used Rest Assured in order to be able to automate the testing process for that particular API. I use Rest Assured as well for the API on the other team, but all my tests were running through Rest Assured and through using TestNG, all that good stuff. I built a framework that was able to handle the UI, but this one had no UI, so it was only using the API portion of it. And that was, so there was zero UI testing involved in that particular application. Now, so the answer to your question is yes, a definite yes, because there are companies that just make API only, they only make APIs. So if you look at a website like Rapid API, there is no UI component to those APIs. You can actually create your own UI that connects and embeds with their APIs, and then you need UI tests for that. But whoever, when they're creating those APIs, and there has to be some type of testing involved to make sure the APIs work as they should, right? Did I not start the clock? Oh, I'm gonna add, it's annoying. Just add 2 minutes on that. All right. Anyways, I forgot to start the clock, but I threw a 2 minutes left on that. So yes, there are companies that do API only. It depends on the software that you're building. And with that, it is what it is, right? It's now the next part of the question. So yes, teams actually do that. What tools? Like I said, we use Rest Assured. I use Postman. Now, when I for my API only test, we use, because we're a Python shop for now, we use the request library, right? And we currently use what is that tool called? Behave, for behavior-driven development style testing. But now, in my own applications, like when I built the quotes application, I use Supertest. What is it called? The Node package. I think it's called Supertest. But I use that to do the API automation using JavaScript and TypeScript and stuff like that. So Yes, very, very possible. Because guess what? If you have a microservice, right? If you have a microservice, and your microservice has a front end that has one team working on it, and then the microservice has an API, a back end with another team working on it, that team is only going to be testing APIs. You might want to learn some contract testing as well, so that and to answer your question about where do I see AI fitting in, it could write some test cases. I don't know how good that would be. I don't think AI might do the greatest job on impossible to guess edge cases. I do see it self-fix test when API changes. Maybe it would need to know what to fix to, but smarter test result analysis, I think there is a big possibility for AI to help in the smarter test analysis to understand the trends, because a lot of times, a lot of things about AI.
Okay, let's move on.
A lot of things about AI, it's very data driven, right? It depends on a lot of data. The language learning models, which we're going to be starting tomorrow on the morning show. We're going to be doing week 1, day 1, but I think it could help with analyzing the different results and seeing what's valuable, what's not valuable. Maybe train it on how to properly analyze it. All right. So that is my thoughts on that question.
People watch as the clock ticks by, but I'm the storm in the endless sky. I'll climb the mountain, no matter the slope. Fueled by hunger, fueled by hope.
They sit and watch as the clock just spins, but I'm out here chasing where it begins. I don't need luck, I don't need a sign, just a fire in my soul and a dream that's mine.
All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the sky.
I'm betting it all, no second glance. Got fire in my soul, I'll take the chance. No time for sitting, no time to stall. The world is spinning, I'll have it all.
They say the world just turns and waits, but I've got no time for those debates. The fire in my chest, it burns so bright. I'll take the dark and turn it to light. All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the sky. No retreat, no looking back. I'll carve my name on this beaten track. They'll say I dream too wild, too bold, but I'll write my story in lines of gold.
All I wanna do is win it all. Climb every mountain, never let me fall. Bet it all on me, I'm the one who rise. I'll break the limits and touch the skies. And touch the skies. No fear in losing, no time to doubt. Every whisper, I'll drown it out. I'll rise higher with every stride. The flame of passion, my only guide.